If you're a concealed carrier who's just looking for the best simple range bag, then this video is for you. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. We're at the range today, and I had all kinds of plans to do some shooting, but as you can probably hear on this tin roof, it's raining pretty hard, so we're trying to wait it out. So this is the Lynx Defense Pistol Bag, and if you're thinking, man, that's very just plain Jane simple, you're right, but it's got a few surprises.
I don't know, like, surprise!
So let's start right here on the outside pocket. Right here, we've got a cleaning mat. Really nice if you need to take an optic apart, take screws out, something like that, then you have that option there. And it just folds up and goes in this pouch on the outside. Or if you're like, hey, I don't really care about that, but I just need more storage space.
I don't care!
That's a pretty good sized pocket on the outside right there. Lynx Defense did send me this bag for free. They're not an official sponsor of the channel or anything. They do send me stuff from time to time, and I am an affiliate with them. So if you want to support the channel and you want to pick up one of these bags, then check out the link in the description. Outside pockets here, we've got a cleaning kit. So I forgot that this one was here. This is the one that came with the M&P Shield Plus. With the Performance Center, you get some of those little bells and whistles, so that's pretty cool.
Oh, you think you fancy?
I actually forgot that one was in there because on this side, I've got another cleaning kit. This one is from Ready Up Gear. I'll put the link for this one in the description as well. I am an affiliate with them too. And then I never go to the range without my Lockedin Grip. I just hang it on the side of the bag. All right, so top of the bag here, we've got the double zipper, which I really like because it opens up to everything and you can get to it really nicely. Most important thing to take to the range, trauma kit. I've got my hearing protection on my ear clip, and then I've got my shot timer, pair of glasses, pair of sunglasses. Got a cool patch there. That doesn't come with the bag, that's just mine.
Something make the other girls go, ooh, that's nice. Anyways.
One of my favorite parts of the bag is it's got this hard shell. There's one here and one over on this side. That gives you the ability to hang stuff on there. They've already got like a mag pouch thing just Velcroed on, which I really like. I've got some Glock mags in there. And there's another one over on this side where I've got my Shield mags. And then they've got these two little pouches that you can, again, all of this is customizable. You can take these off. I'm not gonna call it a holster. I'm gonna call it a gun holder. Potentially just stick, you know, an unloaded gun like that and then hook that stretchy part over the sights. And that's okay. I'm not saying that's unsafe or anything because it's unloaded. It's not on your body. Like, you're not carrying it like this. It's just being stored in a bag that way. So that's okay. I would prefer to just put it in something like this. This is the Molly B holster from Eclipse Holsters, the sponsor of today's video. They've been a long time sponsor. They make really great holsters. It's Velcro on the back, so you can just stick it in there like that. And then not only is it secured in the bag, but it's in a holster. So you could even keep this loaded, or you know, you could take it off and stick it in a fanny pack with the Velcro. I really like the structure of this bag because it gives more stability to hang stuff on vertically rather than just dumping everything in. Much smaller than my range bag that I've been carrying around. I tend to just pack things as full as possible, and then I'm frustrated that I'm carrying around a big heavy range bag. So if you're just taking a couple of guns to the range and like hearing protection and your trauma kit, it's got the structure to keep things organized. I think it's the best range bag for concealed carriers. If you notice, I didn't really have much of anything over here, so you could put, you know, stacks of ammo over there. I happen to just have a can of ammo that I brought to the range. Definitely have that option, and it's just big enough for what you need. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Now let's just hope the rain stops soon so we can actually shoot. There's nothing worse than being at the range and not even being able to shoot.